Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, this is the iPhone SX Max. Let's see if it's worth buying in 2020. Well, the design is pretty much same as the iPhone 10 all the way to iPhone 12. We have the notch on the top which houses all the sensor setup for the Face ID and no Touch ID. When it comes to build quality, there's nothing much to say. It's like any other premium iPhone in the past 3 years. Strong, sturdy stainless steel frame with glass on both front and back. Although this is a 2-year-old smartphone, the specs are kinda similar to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It packs an A12 Bionic chipset, 4GB of RAM, just like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Although it's an old phone, it runs on the latest OS, which is iOS 14.1. The overall performance is still great, no lags when opening applications or switching between apps. To be honest, you won't even notice it's a 2-year-old smartphone. The SX Max features a wide and a telephoto lens. Both of them deliver 12 megapixel stills. Also, both lenses are optically stabilized. When it comes to photo, the photos are well exposed and sharp. The real-time HDR processing feature is amazing. I would say the sensors deliver good dynamic range and handles highlights and shadows really well. The low light performance is okay for the 2020 standards due to the lack of dedicated night mode. The pictures are noisy and lack saturation. Anyway, overall picture quality is okay, not great. When it comes to video, iPhone are still at the top when it comes to shooting videos on a smartphone. The 4K 30fps has a better dynamic range and reduced rolling shutter effect. Slow motion camera is fun to play with, but only in the outdoors lighting. The low light footage is fairly usable, but get too noisy in low lit areas. With the 3174 mAh battery, you really don't expect to have an awesome battery life, but it's okay. Anyway, I do manage to complete a day with a single charge, but it barely makes it. Sometimes I tend to boost it up in the middle of the day. Anyway, for the big question, is it worth buying the iPhone SX Max in 2020? The answer is yes. This is still a solid device with good build quality, good battery life, and good camera, and the overall performance is still amazing. If you can get it for a good deal, then go for it. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.